Trump's travel ban, a clash of conflicting laws. The legal battle over President Trump's temporary travel ban targeting 7 majority Muslim countries likely will take weeks to resolve and could require the Supreme Court to make the final decision. But the arguments challenging and defending the executive order have become clear. The Justice Department argues that a president has broad powers to act unilaterally on questions of immigration and national security. It says judges have only limited powers to second-guess such decisions and urges the court to allow Trump's immigration order to go back into effect. Opponents concede that a president has some power on his own, but they say Trump overstepped that by banning people from specific countries and of the Muslim religion. They contend he violated core principles of the Constitution and ignored laws passed by Congress. Trump's order, signed January 27 at the Pentagon, instituted a 120-day ban on refugees entering the U.S. and a 90-day ban for most citizens of Libya, Iraq, Iran, Somalia, Sudan, and Yemen. The order also indefinitely barred any Syrians from entering the U.S. He said his goal was to improve background checks to make sure terrorists are not admitted inadvertently. The order was blocked by U.S. District Judge James Robart in Seattle on Friday while the challenge plays out in court. The government appealed to the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit, based in San Francisco, seeking to reinstate the ban while the case progresses. A 3-judge panel of that court will hear arguments by telephone Tuesday afternoon and could rule shortly thereafter. Then the Supreme Court could get involved. The Justice Department's pitch, first made early Sunday morning at the district court level in Washington state and amplified late Monday to the appeals court, is that Trump has both constitutional and legal authority in matters of national security dating back at least to 1952. The state asks the courts to take the extraordinary step of second-guessing a formal national security judgment made by the president himself pursuant to broad grants of statutory authority, it argues in its latest brief.